Hello guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back again to talk about another perfume. Oh yes, we got today Valentino's Voce Viva. I can't wait to get into it, y'all. But before I jump all the way deep into it, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. Let's get into this unboxing and review. All right, guys, so we're gonna start like before with the packaging. So on the front, we do have the Valentino, we have the Voce Viva, and at the top we do have, I believe it's just the V logo, I believe. This is an EDP and a 30 ml that I have. And one thing I noticed about this packaging as well is simple red gold. It's just very classic. But one thing I noticed about the top, y'all, because you know you're used to the back, right? Like, oh, I'm gonna open it, and I kept saying, okay, what's the problem? It opens from the front. I said, ooh, it's a little extra. Just switch around. I thought that was a little cute, a little extra. One thing I love too, once you opened it, it actually has the V in there again, and you just separate them. I love that. The beautiful bottle of the Voce Viva. I love this bottle so much. You can even see from the top, it does have the nice studs, red on both of the opposite sides. Pretty much on the top, it is studded all the way down. I love that about this packaging. It's just so it's very, I want to say edgy, but very, very classy at the same time. So you can get a lot of fingerprints on that, unfortunately, but it's just so pretty, and it's nice and sturdy, real metal. And then we get down to the clearer part of it. You can see right through this bottle, but the liquid does look a little bit like a golden kind of golden yellowish kind of tone to it a little bit. And it does have the Valentino red right on there on the front. So one thing too, on the sides of the bottle, they do go in. So like a diamond. So you turn the side, it looks like a perfect square, but it does pinch it in on the sides. So that's one thing I do like about this bottle too. I like the studs, the whole diamond stud effect. I do like that. I sprayed this on a piece of little sheet, little paper, and I walked out of Ulta when it first came out, and I said, I like that. It smelled like coffee to me, and it was hot outside. You know, I was like, here in Texas, it was just hot. I was like, why do I like this? I'm like, wait, but I don't think there's coffee in this at all. So I don't know where I got coffee when it's outside, but I did. The bottle packaging is immaculate, real glass, nice and sturdy and heavy. This one also has a nice weight to it. We like that in this household. I like that when it's nice and heavy. Let's get into this scent. Take out the topper, bright red in the center. Let's spray, shall we? So wrist, then wrist, here, and then chest, then spray in the front, and we walk through it. On Fragrantica, it pretty much says the Valentino scent is the ode to Valentino's femininity. Let's get into these notes, because this is a very powerful EDP, and I'm so happy that it is. So let's get into these notes, because again, that's what we really here for. So with the Voce Viva scent, it says the top notes is mandarin orange, bergamot, I like bergamot, and ginger. Ginger add that little zestiness. And then the middle note is orange blossom gardenia. And then the base notes is vanilla, tonka bean, musk, sandalwood, and oak moss. A very simple EDP. Like, I feel like it had a little bit more than that. These are very basics. The ginger is really, I can get the ginger. The ginger is it spikes up the scent. It really does, especially when you first spray it just like now. Like I said, in between the veil, it will break down, but I think now I'm starting to get a teensy bit of gardenia coming down out of it. Just a teensy bit, not too much. But I do smell vanilla, I smell some tonka bean. Musk is underneath all that, but I think the biggest two things I get out of this scent are bergamot, ginger, teensy bit of gardenia, and then I get tonka bean, vanilla, musk, and I get a lot of oak moss. Now I know exactly what it smells like, but I actually like it. I guess maybe during the winter time or fall, I like the woodsy, earthy scents, because I'm liking this. This one will last on you. With this scent, I feel like EDP is a correct statement. The minimum of notes they have in it is kind of surprising. I thought they'd have a little bit more. I don't get any amber, nothing like that. But oak moss, I've never smelled it and was actually attracted to that. But now I'm kind of like, I don't think I like it because it's very nice. I'm like, this is a very powerful, even the little 1 ounce, I feel like it's gonna take me forever to use it up. This Valentino scent does have longevity. It will stay on for 8 to 10 hours. I realized that. This one is a powerful EDP. I was like, ooh, okay. But I'm glad I'm introduced to the Valentino fam now too. We get a little more expensive and bougie in here because literally I've never had Valentino anything. And I was waiting. Like I said the other time, I have a Prada, I have Jimmy Choo, I have Gucci now, and then I now have the Valentino. So I'm very, very happy to have a Valentino, and I think this one's gonna stay in my pile a while. And I'm gonna check out Valentino other scents a lot more. This is very, very exquisite, very rich, very powerful. It's very potent. I've learned that I said I sprayed that many times, my whole living room gonna smell like this for 13 weeks now, because literally this is a very strong scent and I believe it'll last you for a while. So very, very worth it. So that was my review over the Valentino's Voce Viva EDP perfume. I love it. It's part of my collection. Again, guys, I do recommend it. Very potent and it lasts for a very long time, even in the small size that I was able to grab. Again, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also leave a comment below. Tell me which Valentino scent that you like the most. Do you like this new one, the new edition, or do you like another one better? And also don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.